Treat your Ford F-150 to a sporty interior upgrade with FH Group's rugged custom seat covers, made to order for your XLT, Lariat, or Raptor. The covers are made of water-resistant, soft and stretchy neoprene fabric at the center with a Neo Supreme trim. They are durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort for you and your passengers. They're precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle specifications for a perfectly snug fit. The covers are airbag compatible, and the backside of the bucket seat includes a handy slip pocket to safely store any personal items. Plus, the front center console comes with a soft padded cover. Give your truck's interior the protection it deserves and reach a whole new level of style and comfort that's out of this world.